How to go live on TikTok. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Bimo from App Guide, and in today's video I will simply guide you on how you can go ahead and go live on TikTok. So just make sure to watch this video till the end. Now there are certain criteria for being able to go live on TikTok, which I will explain you in this video as well. If you were not being able to find the live option, there is only one singular reason why. So first of all, if I just go ahead and open up TikTok, and I will show you both of my accounts. In this specific account, let's say if I tap on the plus icon at the bottom, I'll be able to find the option called live all the way on the bottom right hand side of the screen. But if I show you my other account over here, so let me also just go ahead and switch my account by going to my profile, tapping on the drop down menu and switching account as well. And in this account, if I go ahead and then tap on the plus icon, you'll be able to see that the live option is most likely missing, and we do not have the live button on the right hand side of the screen. Now why is that happening? Now in order to be able to go live on TikTok, there is only one specific reason and one specific guideline, and that is that your account must have 1000 or more followers. So as you can see, in this current account I do not have over 1000 followers, it is under 1000. But on my other account, if I switch and show you, you'll be able to see that I have over 1200 followers right on this specific account, and that is the only reason why I'm being able to go live on TikTok. If you're trying to figure out why you were not being able to see the live option, the only likelihood reason of it not being able to go live is that your account does not have the 1000 followers and it does not meet the minimum requirements. Now after you have made sure that you have over 1000 followers, just tap on the plus icon as I did earlier and go to the live section over here. You can go ahead and customize a few settings here and there if you want to. You can go ahead and add a title, adding a topic, adding a live goal if you want, some gifts and so on. And you could also invite some of the specific people only if you want to go live privately. And all you have to do is, in order to confirm this, just tap on the red button that says go live, and everyone, including your followers, will be notified that you're currently live on TikTok. And that's all it takes to go ahead and then go live on TikTok. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to my channel. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.